Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings has our very first early-release 2019 Triumph Speed Triple RS. This one's going to come out of the crate in that beautiful matte black. We got Jennings suspension, Brembo brakes, still braided brake lines, the new TFT display that's going to have our rider modes to it and the ability to flip through like on our street triples to different display options. We're going to have ABS and traction control. We've got rider mode that we can manipulate. The beautiful single-sided swing arm, and right above that, aero exhaust with carbon tips comes on this bad boy factory. One of my favorite features on all new motorcycles coming out, clutchless upshift and clutchless downshift. Finally out on the Speed Triple RS. So we're gonna get this thing uncrated with Josh and see what we can do to show you first eyes on a 2019 Speed Triple RS here at Frontline Eurosports. Let's do it, Josh. Alright, so we got the perimeter rails in the box off, and now unleashing it from the plastic. Let's do it. Ready? Watcha! I got it this time. Alright, so as you can see, our new Speed Triple RS is going to be 2019. We got our bar end mirrors, we got our new switch gear over here on the handlebars, black bars with embellishment on the triple clamps. I'm going to get you some close-ups here in a minute. Our TFT fly screen, big old Brembo brakes, your only suspension. It's all blacked out now, except for the shock in the rear. We got our carbon heat shields, carbon tips on our aero mufflers, the big beautiful single-sided swing arm. Already got a slider puck on the back there. Let's get a little closer look. Aero exhaust, single-sided swing arm with Diablo Super Corsa rubber. Our new 1050 that's torquier. Our Brembo brakes. Jennings suspension, carbon fiber front fender, carbon fiber side radiator shroud. We have a beautiful upper with embellishment on it. It also is your belly pan down in the bottom. Our handlebars, you can see our bar and mirrors folded up. Got new switch gear, left and right. Look at that beautiful top triple right there, boys. TFT display. Coming down the tank, red stitching in the saddles for the pilots and for the pillion. And this is our new 2019 Triumph Speed Triple RS in matte black. So thanks for watching us here at Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings signing out. Catch you in the next video.